Battle ropes with foldable poster and anchor kit. Full body workout equipment for CrossFit training, home gym or fitness exercises. Polydacron heavy battling rope to boost strength. Bonus number 1. Foldable workout poster. Train the proper way with this step-by-step illustrated guide that explains each routine from beginning to end. Created by genuine instructors, it reveals the absolute best 30 workouts to obtain efficient and also rapid outcomes. Never ever lack training suggestions again. Bonus number 2. Anchor strap set and protective sleeve. Don't invest money to safeguard your battle rope from friction or fraying. Prolong its life by linking the anchor strap to taken care of weighted factors. Lean and solid in just 20 minutes. Combat ropes will certainly get you in the finest shape of your life. Great for any fitness level, conditioning ropes are intense, however can be used safely by males and females of all degrees. Longer and also thicker ropes have more weight and consequently give much more effective exercise. Readily available in 30, 40 or 50 fort 100% money back guarantee. We've crafted our fire breather battle ropes with the absolute most difficult polydacron. If you're not delighted, simply return it for a complete refund. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.